and I'm tired. In this video, I would like to tell funny memory. It was happened in 2016, but at that day, it wasn't funny for my husband. And the first thing, look at my picture. I just present this is me on that day because our toilet bowl was no flushing at all about a month, and every time I need to use the plunger to plunge in the toilet bowl, and at the end I could not handle it anymore. Then I told him, then he changed the new one. That was cost of money, right? It was my fault, but I didn't know at the beginning. Okay, and he was very doubting what caused the toilet bowl no flush. Then he took the hammer and hit to the toilet bowl. Ta-da! We found this thing, the chicken bone, and immediately I was laughing and feel guilty at the same time. It was me because I poured the curry soup into the toilet bowl without checking, and then that's it. It cost money, and I should not do that, right? I know many people gonna think I am silly or stupid to do this thing. Anyway, I see another people did something more stupid than me. Okay, and then I think for another time, if I pour the curry again, I need to check and make sure that no bone in my bowl. In fact, from that time, I never pour any food or soup into the bowl again. Thank you for listening. Bye.